Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling auto-erase data when stolen on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When this setting is enabled, your watch will erase all your data after 10 incorrect passcode attempts. This way, if your watch gets stolen, your data cannot be accessed. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the Settings and tap Passcode. Scroll down and tap the toggle to the right of Erase Data to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, Erase Data is turned on, and when grey, it is not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.